Honda has released full pricing and specification details for its new CR-V crossover. Prices for the SEAT Ateca rival will start from £25,995 when it goes on sale in early September. That price buys the entry-level S trim, which comes with cruise control, forward collision warning, collision mitigation braking, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist as standard. There are another 3 trim levels above: SE, SR and X. The SR adds leather seats, blind spot warning and cross-traffic monitoring, while the top-spec X gets a heated steering wheel and rear seats, a head-up display, an electric tailgate and a panoramic sunroof. Like for like, the SE adds £900 to the price of the S. The SR costs £2,480 more than the SE, and the X adds £2,710. There's 3 powertrains to choose from, all based on the same 1.5-liter turbo petrol. A 170 bhp unit comes with a manual gearbox, which is available with front-wheel drive in S and SE models, and four-wheel drive in SE, SR and X models. The higher 3 trim levels are also offered with a 188 bhp unit paired with a CVT gearbox. A 4-wheel drive, manual SE costs from £28,955, while the most expensive model in the range is the 188 bhp CVT in X trim, which costs £36,455. Buyers can also choose a 7-seat variant. This costs £1,700 more than the equivalent 5-seater, and is offered both as a manual and an auto in SE and SR trims. Honda is promising competitive finance offers for the new CR-V. Expect to pay £279 per month on a 3-year, 10,000-mile deal for a manual all-wheel drive model in SR trim. The CR-V has also been afforded a hybrid engine option for the first time. Honda calls the new system Intelligent Multi-Mode Drive, IMMD, and it comprises a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine and 2 electric motors. Rather than feed its power via a conventional gearbox, the IMMD system makes use of a compact single fixed gear ratio in a bid to reduce cost, weight and complexity.